Hello everyone, welcome today on Saturday, November the 27th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudoku Medium, and this is a quintuplet. Yes, a quintuplet. And I've told you I stopped solving these kind of puzzles. It will take me more than an hour to solve. But in this newspaper, we have also, look, Saturday, November the 27th, we have here six extra puzzles. First one, letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic with 1 star. Those puzzles I'm not interested, so there are 6 extra puzzles. What I will do is I will solve the medium Sudoku, this one, and 3 out of 6 I will solve in additional for today. Tomorrow, the rest of the puzzles of this additional. Alright, but first we will solve this baby number, I believe number 3744. Yes, 3744. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I have a time limit for 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Okay, we have no ones, 4 twos, 4 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 2 six, 4 sixes, 2 sevens, 4 eights, and 3 nines. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Let me start with 8. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So no row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see with the other digit. How about the 6? I believe there are 6 here. 6 in the last, in this row. 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Do we have all the sixes? And all the sixes are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Yeah. Alright. Then. How about the 7 in this row, the 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. I'm scanning. How about the 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. You see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Yeah. And I cannot continue with the 2. Alright. How about 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, we see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see that 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. 4. Thinking 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Right. Let me think. Can I continue with the 5? No. Okay. Okay, the 8 in the third column, the 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Alright. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Yeah. 1 and 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and 7 in this box. The 4 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair of 4 and 7, so 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. Can I continue with the 2? Yes, now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 2. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the 4, the 7, the 1, and the 1, the 4, the 7, and 5 are missing. Yeah. 5, 5. Okay. The 4, 7, 4, 5. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4 in this big square. We have also 2 boxes left in the middle column. 1 and a 4 are left. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. This box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. Let me mark those. That means the other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. One box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. Still cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers? In the third row, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box should be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 1. Now we have a... No. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 7. 2 missing numbers. In the last column, the 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the this big square for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers. In this big square, the 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. Told you 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve this. Baby, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the tectonic, for the binaries, for the letter Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and maybe later on in the evening I will do the rest, not the rest, the 3 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.